Hi, I'm Adam Grodetsky. I'm the founder and CEO of the Ford Institute.
My name is Tamson Cooper. I'm the Managing Director at the Ford Institute.
I'm Kieran Knowles. I'm Senior Brand and Insight Manager at the Ford Institute. We're a non-profit based here in London, working with about 50 major organisations from the Army and the police and the government through to Tesco and Barclays, helping them think hard about what does responsible leadership mean in today's world.
General purpose entered our lives, our professional lives, about a month ago. Before that, people were dabbling in AI. We were encouraging experimentation, but it remained very much in the margins. General purpose came on the scene, and suddenly AI has exploded in our collective imagination.
General Purpose has been an amazing partner in working with us as we look to think how do we put AI right at the heart of the organisation. People change through learning, through doing. And so the brilliant thing about General Purpose has been taking these kind of abstract, sometimes quite scary ideas about AI and making it practical, making it usable, making it exciting. And what's been amazing to see is just the team going off experimenting, trying different things and sharing that amongst themselves.
I would probably describe myself as an AI-Luddite before these sessions, and if it wasn't for this space and the supportive environment that's been created, I don't think I would have had the confidence to get going.
General Purpose have helped us really adopt and embed AI in our thinking, and I can't tell you how much of an accelerant they've been in our ways of working and our thinking at a strategic level.
For our son, you need the fundamentals, but experiencing the sessions, learning so much new things which I didn't know about was super kind of useful, and having Tom and Mel there to kind of answer any questions I had was unbelievable. It was really good.
So to any leader in our network and beyond who are embarking on an AI transition, I think there are three phases to this. There's awareness raising, there's confidence raising, and then there's execution in terms of the technology. General Purpose have helped us very quickly move through those three phases.
You've got people who know what they're talking about when it comes to AI in terms of how to use it, how it works, what impact it's going to have on the world, but it's also going to balance that with understanding that not everybody is in that space.
I'd recommend working with General Purpose for a couple of reasons. First of all, they've just been great fun to work with, really responsive, and really look to do something that's bespoke to who we are and to our needs. And secondly, they've just really helped move us at a much greater pace than we otherwise would have done. They've engaged everybody individually at where they're at in the organisation to make it relevant to their needs.